विश्वसिंह, वर्किंग एज अ सर्विस इंजीनियर इन Semco Infratech। आइए हम आपको बताने जा रहे हैं बैटरी सेल इक्वलाइजर के बारे में।
Lithium Battery Charging and Discharging and Balancing. Product Introduction. IET Series Lithium Battery Charging and Discharging and Balancing all-in-one machine is a highly efficient, portable battery maintenance equipment developed for new energy aftermarket, which can more efficiently solve the problems of voltage and capacity difference between modules and within modules caused by long-time usage of lithium battery modules. The whole system supports remote access of a PLETS and OTA upgrade.
Appearances. Illustration. Functional characteristics.
Wide range 14 to 215 volts, battery module charging and discharging. Maximum power up to 3 kilowatts. Maximum current up to 60 amperes. Supports 2 working modes of battery module charging/discharging and module charging/discharging and balancing, adapting to 2 different needs of module voltage leveling and battery cell balancing. Adjustable module charging and discharging voltage and current, and constant voltage mode. Energy feedback discharging, power saving, and environment friendly. Supports up to 48 channels of battery equalization with both single charge equalization and single discharge equalization. Equalization current 0 to 5 amps adjustable. Suitable for all kinds of lithium iron phosphate, lithium ternary battery, lithium manganese acid battery module, with hardware and software double protection, safe and reliable. With data storage function, it can realize the whole traceability of maintenance data and analyze it. Portable design for a variety of scenarios.
Appearances. Illustration. Technical parameters.
आपको और भी मशीनों की जानकारी चाहिए तो आप हमारी वेबसाइट पर भी जा सकते हैं, और साइट एक्सपीरियंस के लिए आप साइट नंबर 4 18/28 साहिबाबाद इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया गाजियाबाद में आप विजिट कर सकते हैं।